Hi, grade 6 math students. Here's what we're going to do. We're just going to define basically two words for you today, and they're important words. First one is prime numbers, and the second one is composite numbers. So let's start with prime numbers. What is a prime number? It is simply a number that has two and only two factors. So let me give you an example of that. A prime number, for example, would be 7. Because if you were doing a factor rainbow for 7, you would only have two numbers in this rainbow, 1 and it's 7. So what you're going to notice with prime numbers, the two factors are just 1 and the number itself. So in this case, if we're talking about 7 as a prime factor, the other number would be 7. So 1 and itself. Now you could probably guess if my definition for prime factors is two factors, composite numbers have more than two factors. So if you were doing the rainbow, you would have at least 3 factors as a part of it. So let's say, for example, we were doing the number 14. If we were doing the factor rainbow, you would say, oh yeah, 1 and 14 obviously are factors, and 14 is even, so therefore 2 and 7 would also be. And I think you could try 3, and you could try 4, you could try 5, and you could try 6, but I think you would find all of those wouldn't be factors. So 14 is composite because when we look at the factors, there was more than 2. In this case, there was 4 of them. Now let's say, for example, we were dealing with a special number like the number 9. We'd say, well, how many factors are there here? Well, you'd say, oh, well, for sure, 1 in itself, so 1 and 9. See that rainbow? And then you say it's not even, so it can't have 2. Then we try 3. Oh, yeah, 3, 6, 9. Yeah, so 3 is a factor. 3 times 3. So you can see this is an example in which we just have 3 factors. So 9 has 3 factors. So you can have just 3 factors to make up a composite number. So I hope that makes sense. Prime numbers have 2 factors. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors.